One of the best tips for project building success is to have good measuring tools, and here's a basic set that'll do almost everything. Of course, you need a tape measure, and don't get a cheap one. A good quality tape lasts longer and it's more accurate. Also, stick with a 12 or 16 footer for building projects. Save that big heavy 25 footer for things like measuring rooms or large outdoor projects. Next, you want an adjustable square, like a combination square or this multi-mark from Kreg. They'll help you measure 45 and 90 degree angles, do inside and outside measurements, help with layout, and a lot more. A framing square is also really handy. You may never frame walls, but you can use one of these to do layout on plywood, to check assemblies for 90 degree measurements, and even to help hold pieces in place while you're assembling. Of course, you also need pencils, and I don't like a carpenter's pencil for project building. I like a good old regular pencil, and I keep it nice and sharp. Finally, be sure to take care of your measuring tools. They'll last for a long time and stay accurate.